First, it's important to understand that you should avoid using lined or colored paper and only use blank pieces of paper instead to get the best results. Also, we recommend using smaller paper sizes or folding larger pieces of paper in half to have an easier experience fitting your surface inside the camera preview.
So now I'm going to keep my phone open. I'm going to use my coffee mug again, but this time I'm going to use the control panel to change my surface from whiteboard to paper. I'm going to turn the camera preview back on, as you can see. This time I'm going to place the phone standing up inside my mug, slightly leaning forward like that. Now, I want to make sure that my whole piece of paper is fitting inside the camera preview, and I can see that in both examples here. So now when I'm ready, I'm just going to click start. I'm going to keep my phone still. I'm not going to put my hands in the way. And as you can see, JIBB has already detected the writing. I've already drawn a graph on here, but I might add a few lines on this one, a few lines on this one. I can move my paper if I want to, but it's better to try and keep it still. I'm not going to touch my phone. And as you can see, the perfect rendering comes out like that. If you want to learn more, go and check out our other videos on our help page.